After years of dreaming about a new smile, Ken Miller decided it was time to make it a reality.
For quite some time, I had not been really pleased with my teeth, and I felt like I needed it done to gain the self-confidence I need in my industry.
To achieve his perfect smile, Ken trusted the skilled, caring touch of Dr. Dwayne Beers. Dr. Beers combines the latest advancements in cosmetic dentistry restoration with state-of-the-art materials, so you have a natural-looking smile that is sure to leave you beaming.
We use all technologies available in dentistry to provide cosmetic services, particularly laser technology, imaging services, cosmetic resin bonding, veneers, porcelain crowns, implants. And we try to make that available to all age groups, from 3 to 90. Ken's primary concern was that he wanted bigger, more beautiful teeth, that he felt his smile had become aged, they were broken down, his dentistry was old and ugly. So with Ken's case, after diagnostic models and complete records, and especially photography, he shared with us what his desire was, and we were able to achieve his smile utilizing porcelain veneers and porcelain crowns.
Now, Ken spends most of his time happily showing off the smile of his dreams.
My teeth were white, and they were straight, and they were pretty. And that's the important thing. I would recommend to anyone who's considering doing something like this to pursue it, to go to Dr. Beers and have it done. That the confidence and the self-esteem that you'll gain will be well worth it. My wife says I walk around smiling all the time.
A life-changing smile is more accessible and affordable than ever to achieve. Contact Dr. Beers and find out how you can put on a happy face.